Okay, guys, this is the evening of springtime, May 21st. Is today May 21st?
Yeah,
Uh,
22nd.
oh, 22nd, sorry. May 22nd. We are out at the Black Lake Park. This is one of the many parks that we hang out at in the evening or on the weekend. So, yep, just gonna walk around and look at the nature. And it looks creepy out here. Look, if you really want to look for frogs, you can see frogs, salamander, and all kinds of stuff. Even deers around here, you can see deer.
And when we were on
We
the
used
road,
to
we saw a deer giving birth.
yeah, when we on our way over here to the park, we saw a doe. A doe just gave birth alongside the road. We can see them in the park alongside the road. They just actually give birth. We can see it, but because the traffic is busy, we don't have time to record it. So this is the nature channel. Nature center. The nature center right now is closed because of the coronavirus, and yeah, when they open, people can come early in the morning, like 5 in the morning, and you can see all kinds of birds and deer. You can spot all kinds of squirrels and stuff that you don't see normally. You don't see during the daytime, and early in the morning and kind of late evening you can see deer. All just like herds of deer coming into this area. What, guys? What's up, guys? Y'all making fun of me? You doing a YouTube video? Uh, okay. Oh man, this road is muddy. Yeah, it is muddy. Oh, watch out for the bike. Watch out for the bike.
I'm scared there's any worms or snakes.
Worms or snakes?
Yes, I
Well,
pulled down my pants.
don't worry about it. It's over there in the swamp. Those little swamp there, guys. You don't want to go in there because you don't know what's in that swamp. We're gonna be going in deep into the wood, and we're gonna walk. We're gonna walk on the rail that they made above the swamp. So let's go, guys. Cause I don't know about my phone's memory. You know, sometimes my phone memory can't handle all that recording, so it's gonna shut off on me. Well, right now it's about 6 p.m. Is that right? Exactly how? What time?
5:50.
5:50. Almost.
That be too.
Yeah. This park closed at 9 p.m. Closed at 9 p.m. guys. And this is the park right here. And this is the park. And this is where we are at right here. Where we are at right here. Okay. Yeah, we at right here, this red spot right here, and we're gonna start walking around this rail right here that they made above the swamp. All these rail here that are made above the swamp, but the whole thing here is park. You can walk all day long. You can be very tired. Yeah, I mean, it's a long ass walk around this huge park right here. 400-500 acres of lands in this park. Okay. Yeah, this is called Black Lake Wood Park. Okay, guys, it's a natural landmark, registered natural landmark, and it's got a long history dated way back to early 1800s, where all this land here belonged to a farmer way back, and it was bought up by the government because of abandoned uh, living things in here like deers, fox, and all kinds of wildlife here lived here, and people like to come and see them. Yeah, this is the rail, guys. This is the rail. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The rail.
Hear the birds.
They,
Very hard to feel.
mhm. And along the side, guys, you can see wet, very wet swamp. It's like a swamp.
So the snake?
Yeah. There will be bunch of snakes, frogs, salamander. Sometimes, guys, in the evening, if you look up
There's a big
uh,
one. Whoa.
on the tree branches, sometimes you will see owls, night owls, and day owls. Usually, sometimes I spot screech owls.
An owl?
Hmm.
Oh, the owl's in there.
And
Oh, there's a nest up there.
yeah, that's a nest right there. I don't know if I can zoom in.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Where's that at? Oh, right there. That's a nest. There. Yeah. You know what, guys? Not sometime, but in this country, in North America, squirrel make a nest, like a bird nest, huge nest, made with tree leaves and tree branches, because most of the holes in the trees are occupied maybe by screech owl and hawk. And these hawks and screech owl sometimes hunt. They hunt on squirrel, eat squirrel. So wow, look at that, guys.
Whoa.
It's very muddy this time of the year. Spring times,
So why is it muddy?
April, May
I don't want to go.
to June, it's all wet because it's rare. It's rare that we get sunshine around during this time of the year. It's mainly raining and thunderstorm. Yeah, people are going out walking around. Evening and morning exercise. You know, this is what we are doing. Chill. Yep, I got home from work. Today is Friday, and sit down, eat, take shower, come out here, walk around. You see, I love nature. I'm coming out here just listen to the squirrel
Yeah.
and birds singing.
You can see
Look at
that.
all this animal here.
Oh, you can see those bugs.
Chipmunks and
Carson
what is that? What is that thing right there?
This
Oh, that's
turkey
a
tail
fungus.
fungus.
That's a mushroom.
That's a possum.
Yeah, kerosene beetle and other stuff. All right, guys, let's get moving. Oh, okay, Angel. Give them the space. We want to make sure we, practice the social distancing. Yeah. How you guys doing?
Hi, good.
Alright. Oh, okay. Look at this. Man, this look like a rice. Look like a rice, paddy field. But it's not. It's just a long grass, long types of grass. And this tree here, oh, look at how tall this tree is.
Whoa, up there.
Yeah, I mean, if they don't grow real tight in a tight space, it would be it will be a very huge tree because of tight space between them. This tree is kind of small, not really small, but you know,
It's raining. Oh no.
and it's real tall.
It's raining.
Look at that, guys. And look at that, guys. Very, very, very tall, guys. That's a canopy over there. Yeah, these trees is only
it's
like
raining. I want to go.
20 years old. These trees. All them big trees, you see them spots, guys. You see them spots.
What?
They were cutting down them older trees. Yeah, they were cutting down, and they transport somewhere. These small trees right here, they are only about 20-year old. But look at how tall. Look at how tall they are. Yeah. And this little one here, right here, like right here, this little one here. When this bigger tree right here cutting off, this little one here will grow up, replace that space. See, guys. Okay, let's hurry up. Walk.
Rain's probably not
Yeah,
gonna
because
touch us because there's a lot of trees.
yeah,
No, but-
it's gonna be a long walk around this swamp. You no need, you don't need no jacket. Let's go. Let's see if I can spot an owl around here. Usually I see raccoon too. Raccoon will sit up and on the tree branch, guys.
Oh yes, lots of trees.
Say hi, guys. Say hi. Hi. Y'all wanna introduce yourself?
No.
No? Okay.
You introduce us.
Now, you introduce
Oh.
yourself. Oh, mud, guys, mud. Watch for the mud. Watch for the mud. Muddy road.
I'm sitting on the
This is a dirt road, guys. Inside the park.
Does this lead our way back?
Yeah, it go around the circle. Yeah, this trail right here just go around the circle within the wood. So, oh, I hear something. Oh, I thought it's gonna be a deer or something. It's a person. It's a person walking. Oh, mud! Watch mud. Oh man, it's dirty.
There's termites. Oh no.
Okay, just go. Let's go. Step on that mud. I don't care. Let's go.
I got no mud on my shoes.
But don't forget to wipe your shoe before getting in my car.
I stepped on a bunch of sticks. I got a bunch of people. Your shoes aren't very important. Your shoes are already dirty. Mine are clean. Yeah, from the floor. I haven't worn my boots. I really,
Oh, mud.
I really want to find an owl. Like we found an owl last time.
Mhm.
That wasn't an owl. Yes, it was. It was an owl.
Okay. Can you? You can jump. You can jump across that muddy.
I thought there was worms and gnats in that mud.
Oh, this tree. Look at the bark.
Oh, that's
It's
even
peeling. That can tell you.
trees that
Yeah, that can tell you it's growing bigger and bigger each year.
year.
You see that bark is peeling? That means it's growing.
Is this a rainforest?
You can call it rainforest, yes.
Is this always
But really, it's not, because rainforest is in
face the front? They don't want to see
It's
the
in,
same tree.
in the south of the equator.
Look at this little bit.
Yeah, rainforest is in south of equator. So like Amazon, Brazil, in that area, Laos, those are rainforests. Huh?
What if there was a bear?
A bear? Oh, if we see a bear, we better back we better back out. You can act tall, but you better stay away from bear. You don't want to get near bear because they can run. They can run. Yeah. The only way that you can run, outrun the bear is zigzag around the tree. When it gets close to you, you're just going around the tree, running around the tree. Bear, they don't have that much endurance. I mean,
Oh, it's just saw that kind of squirrel.
well, you can go around. Let me take a picture of the squirrel.
Yeah, it's behind the tree.
It's behind the tree.
Aha!
Oh, I think it goes up that up the canopy up there. Oh, I'm surprised I don't see raccoon. Usually I see raccoon all the way up there.
Raccoons harm humans?
No, raccoon, it looks like a cat, but
But it's
it looks like a cat,
and they're mean.
raccoon. And they mean, yeah. Yeah, they will bite you.
They
They will attack you.
eat baby kitties.
Hmm.
They eat cats.
Oh, they eat baby cat. Anything. They eat meat.
They eat us.
Oh yeah. Anything that anything that
What's that back there?
they will eat. Where?
I don't see nothing. No, I just see. We're almost there. Whoa, do you see that tree? It's golden.
Hmm.
People like to ride on the trees. How do you do that? Oh, that's your bubble. I can't.
Is this live? Am I live on YouTube or what?
You can go live.
Or just recording?
You just recording and then you can post it.
Sorry guys, this is my first time recording on YouTube. I just want to see what it looks like. So if you guys think this YouTube video is sucky yucky, you know, just
But this doesn't make the exit because people go back.
yeah, just
They go back.
oh man, look at that.
What?
Oh, there is another trail over there. There's another trail over there going somewhere, maybe to the golf course. Oh, it's gonna take you all the way to another park.
Daddy, your finger. What is a trail?
A trail? This is a trail.
Where's the trail? Oh.
This is a trail. We call this a trail. It leads you to
They built it that far?
yeah. This trail. You see that one is called Walter Tucker Trail.
Water?
Yeah, that right there. The sign say Beach Maple Trail.
It's a
It's
beach.
going that way. They call this trail.
Please go
this-
back.
This trail here we walk on,
We're literally
the road that we walk on is called trail. Trail ภาษาลาว
Every bubble?
ภาษาลาวว่าทางเดิน ทางย่าง ห้อยย่าง
But now
Trail.
you're speaking that language?
Yeah.
English.
Speak English?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I don't know how to speak English.
Yes. Well, yes you do. You just did.
Why don't you say something then? Why don't you say something in English so people can understand?
People might just ask that.
Ooh, this is nice size wood. You can get a lot of lumber out of this one.
That one?
Here, let's see how many, let's see if my arm can go around it. I don't want to be on a, don't take a picture of my face. Okay. Don't take a picture of my, you can take a picture of my body.
But
I'm gonna wrap my arm around. To see.
I'll do your back, right?
Yeah. Oh, you see this guy? You see this? Oh man, That's very big. It's
My
not big.
hands will probably
It's
go
like
right
this,
there.
guys. My arm couldn't go around that tree like this. That's very big. Ooh, what can
It goes all
what
the
you
way
guys
up to the
think you guys
cloud.
can do with this huge tree like this? Maybe a pole for a building, a house or something, or a stud, a beam, some kind of lumber. That's a nice size. Look at how tall that is. Oh, you know what? I just wrapped my arm around the poison ivy. That's poison ivy. I don't give a fuck. I don't believe in that poison ivy shit. Because people allergic to poison ivy, their skin got breakdown. But I'm not afraid. I don't believe in that poison ivy shit. You see that poison
Can
ivy?
I hold it?
Yeah. Let's get out. Let's get out of here. This poison ivy just wrap around this tree.
You touch it.
It's very itchy, guys. Poison ivy. Going in the woods, you have to watch for the poison ivy. Yep. If your body touch it, for some people, their skin will break out. Very itchy.
Whoa!
Takes like 2-3 weeks for that rash to disappear from your body. Ooh, look at this swamp. I bet you in Laos, there will be a lot of frogs in a swamp like this. Will be all kinds of frogs. I mean, like a bullfrog.
How come we don't see anything
You can
yet but a squirrel?
you can set up a hook for the frog in this area.
But how come we haven't seen anything?
In the wood over there, guys. Like over there, if you step back inside the wood over there, you will see deers, herds of deers inside.
Time to do some apple juice.
So far, I don't see any screech owls or hawks. They must be out somewhere, or either still inside the hole, up in the tree.
I don't want to be first because I'm scared of snakes. Yeah.
Why you don't want to be the
first.
lead? Okay.
I
I will lead your way.
will. But you lead the
Oh man, this swamp kind of smell.
really stinks. I
Yeah,
have my mask on it.
kind of smell. Maybe spoiled dead leaf around here.
Leaves can be spoiled?
Well, rotten leaf. It smell.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. Ooh,
It's deep.
ooh.
He's scared.
You guys see any snake, turtle, or anything?
Turtles?
Yeah, in that water. Look at this, guys. Look at the salamander. Look at that. They call that a salamander.
Oh, I always wanted to see one of those.
It's found in this swamp. Also a frog. Right there, frog.
That way
And
too
this
big for
called
us to see.
Tamaray. Tamaray. I think neem is called neem. Lao people call neem. Lao people eat this. Yeah, it's in the water. And this neem here will then turn into a dragonfly.
People are coming. Where?
See? They call that dragonfly.
I just wanted to hold a bubble.
Over here they call swamp donner.
Whoa! Whoa!
And ducks swim around
You
here.
found that? It
Where?
just popped.
See
It was
what?
floating on the water.
Watch out, don't be standing near the water because you're gonna fall
Look!
down in there.
It's floating on the water.
Okay.
Can I try? It's not that amazing. Yes.
Okay. All right, we are back out
What is that?
to the car.
Crocodile.
Oh yeah, if we are in the state of Florida, the swamp like this, you will see a lot of alligator. Yeah. In Ohio, North America. Okay, watch for the mud. Okay. In Ohio, North America, there ain't no alligator around here, so we don't need to worry about alligator. All we need to worry about is snake. They do have snake.
You should have saw that,
Is
Laura.
it's very small. It's not a big snake around here. Yeah. Snake and a poison ivy. That's it.
Yes, got one. So I was trying to put your face.
Other than that, we don't have to worry about dangerous or deadly animal around here. In Ohio, we rarely see bear in Ohio.
Oh, but there's no grass here.
If there is one, we can report to the police,
What?
and what's that? A park ranger can come and tranquilize them and put them to sleep and put them in the zoo.
A bear?
Yeah, in the zoo.
Or you could just leave it alone and read.
Yeah. See, guys, back there, there's a pond back there. They have all kinds of ducks over there swimming. So,
I like the sweet.
hmm
My insects, my bubbles are dirty.
see, guys, right here, this is what I'm talking to you about.
No, you didn't
Poison.
touch that.
It's called poison ivy. Makes your
Oh,
skin
look.
really itchy.
Daddy, look
Make
at
your
that.
skin
Look,
break.
Daddy.
What? Watch. There's a poison. This is a
Should I touch
poison
it?
ivy vine right here. I think it's dead already.
So I cannot touch
Yeah,
it.
it's dead already. I think they killed it. But you know what? There's some that's not even dead, but it looks like it's dead, but it's not.
That one's
Look
not
at
dead.
that. Right there. That's their leaf right there going up this tree. It's like a vine going up the
I don't
tree.
think your things can have that much storage, so. You better
So
hurry.
let me zoom in to see what it actually look like for the poison ivy right there. Let's see if I can point my finger. Oh my, I got my fat finger up in front of the camera right there. Yeah, that's a poison ivy right there. Ooh.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
And then, so this is the end of the path.
Yep, we are heading back out
The next
into the
turn.
parking lot.
Do you think they're
Ooh, 28 minutes, almost half an hour of recording. And it's evening time. It's sunshine right now, sunshine out. It's evening sunshine. So you can hear a baby bird crying. You guys hear that?
Why are they crying?
Baby bird crying
Oh, I hear
because
it.
their mom is out looking for food. You
want
hear that? Yeah, they want food.
There's a nest.
Where's the nest?
Oh, it's still over there.
Oh,
Over there is not.
I bet you I can tell what kind it is.
Oh, they're birdies. Make them shut. Wait. I bet that was a chocolate.
Oh, what is that? What is that swimming right there? What is that? Oh, I don't know what that is moving. But what is holding that piece that is moving, swerping left and right?
That's a fish.
You see it?
Yeah, and I see its little fins. They're so tiny.
What the hell is
I see
that?
bubbles coming out of it.
You see that shit moving left and right?
Yeah.
Right
see
there,
it.
right there. It's moving left and right, but
I see its fin.
nothing is hooking up to it. So I don't know what the hell that is. Looks creepy. I hope it is not the kind that jump into people. jump on people
I hate
and then
jumping.
sucking on people blood.
Ah!
Oh, look at that hole. Everywhere. Oh man, look like somebody trying to
Stab, murder.
no, like a scratch or bite into that hole, trying to eat something out of that hole.
Somebody, you mean something?
Yes, something inside that
Whoa, look
hollow
over there. Look,
hollow
the river.
wood,
It goes
hollow
all the way
tree.
over there.
Something inside that hollow tree.
Daddy,
Hmm?
the river goes all the way over there.
Oh yeah.
How far does the river go?
It goes all the way down to a bigger river down there. This is called creek. It's
It
not
goes
a
down
river.
to the beach?
This creek right here, little creek, is run. The water in this little creek just run down into the larger creek and then down to the river. No, guys, I mean, it's very hard to get a sunshine over here, and then people are out taking a sun bath or walking around.
It's just sprinkling a little bit.
Yeah. You see, later on the day, it will be a stormy evening later on the day.
What's in my shoe?
You
What's
see,
in my
the
shoe?
clouds kind of dark. You see, it's gonna be raining tonight.
And the sun is out.
Yeah.
It's gonna be.
This is what they call partly cloudy
In my shoe. That's funny.
or isolated thunderstorm. I mean,
What's an isolated?
isolated thunderstorm mean that the thunderstorm is not all together. There are many areas in Ohio that has thunderstorm. It's not just one area, several areas.
Hi guys. How much is chalk?
All right, time to go home.
And
Are we ready to go home? Get in the car, go home. Stop by store or no?
touch this card.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop by the store to get apple juice. And chalk.
What? Get what?
Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Yeah, the apple juice.
Oh, your favorite apple juice. Okay. I got it. All right. I don't know how to turn this. Or just push this button.
Yeah.